Understanding the phrase, in the clique, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, in the clique. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you in both casual and formal conversations. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of in the clique. The phrase, in the clique, refers to being part of a small, exclusive group of people. A clique is usually a group that is tight-knit and selective about its members. Often, being in a clique implies that there is a sense of belonging to a special circle that others are not part of. It can have both positive and negative connotations depending on the context. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. She felt left out because she wasn't in the clique at school. Here, it suggests exclusion and the feeling of being an outsider. 2. He was in the clique of top executives at the company. This implies a sense of prestige and belonging to an elite group. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Some synonyms for in the clique include in the inner circle, suggests being part of a very exclusive and influential group. Part of the in crowd, similar to in the clique, but often used in more casual, social contexts. The concept of a clique is prevalent in many cultures, especially in school and workplace environments. It's important to understand the emotional and social implications of this term. In some contexts, being in the clique is desirable, while in others, it can be seen as elitist or exclusionary. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, in the clique. Remember, language is not just about words. It's also about the social and emotional contexts they convey. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself becoming more and more proficient in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.